Prof- Proficiency in BICS does not equate to proficiency in CALP. What is BICS? BICS. This is basic interpersonal communication skills. Mastering the concept of basic communication skills takes about 2 to 3 years. Mastering the academic language of learning takes about 5 to 7 years. The role of meta-language in supporting academic language development. Meta-language is very, very important, and it was another key takeaway from this course. Why? It explains the language, it helps students categorize and compartmentalize the mechanics of language. The ability to talk about language can help the students' linguistic knowledge and awareness. It is part of the discourse of language teaching and learning. Meta-language is in most course books and course materials. Moving forward, it is important to engage learners in the explicit talk about the language and meaning. Okay, correcting mistakes does not really equate to teaching. When using corrective feedback, it is important to vary strategies depending on learners' language proficiency, learning preferences, age, type of errors, and how students react to the feedback. It is important to provide the students with many opportunities to notice the difference between what they say and how to reformulate the error. I'm going to use different types of corrective feedback: clarification requests, explicit correction, metalinguistic feedback, recasting, rephrasing, repetition, pinpointing, cueing, and providing an example answer. It is very important to incorporate different strategies to help my students reach the maximum potential. All students are different, and we all have different learning styles and strategies. It is important to help our students discover their learning preferences, strengths, and growth areas. I'm going to design my lessons to include all multiple intelligences. How can I teach to multiple intelligences? First of all, I should find out which styles my students prefer. A simple questionnaire or observations. Secondly, I'm going to offer alternative ways of completing assignments. Then I'm going to give students choices how they want to access information. Also, it is important to vary my lessons. It might include, varying might include reading, moving around, drawing, listening to, maybe watching videos, and group work. Also, it is important to present the same information in a variety of ways. This course inspired me to be a better teacher. I will use more visualization, bringing to class real life objects, use an interactive whiteboard to display photos, audio, and video clips. I will encourage my students to get out of their seats with classroom experiments and local field trips. I will promote cooperative learning by encouraging students of mixed abilities to work together. I will pose thought-provoking questions which inspire students to think and become more independent. I will build positive and productive relationship with students and honor their cultural diversity by inviting to share their traditions with the whole class. I will create the environment where students understand that they are unique, where their individuality is celebrated, and where differences are used to expand learning. Dr. Prasad, thank you for being so encouraging and doing everything you can to keep us motivated and supported throughout the course. Your knowledge and leadership provides us with a priceless model for our own careers. Thank you.